Hi, good morning, everybody. And how are you, people? How are you, students? Good morning. Hi, good morning, good morning. And today, if you see, I'm a little different. I have ditched up my usual attire and I have brought the child within me. You can see the child within me has come very alive with a different nail paint, the different dress, a different hairdo at all. Happy Children's Day to all of you. I'm good. Chan. And why is this topic taken? I know that we are all professionals, we are all grown ups, but this is a very important topic. It does affect your mental health. And how does it affect your mental health? A little example from my own personal life. दिवाली था. दिवाली में एवरीबडी बेसन का लड्डू मिलता है. बेसन का लड्डू खाते हैं, चॉकलेट्स खाते हैं. आप लोगों को पता होगा. You must be eating. There are a lot of delicacies, lot of fried food, lot of sweets that are there, and you can eat anything whatever you like. But what happened is I was very excited कि चलो लड्डू आया है, खाते हैं. बट एक लड्डू आया एंड आई वाज लाइक लड्डू आया है, चलो. या आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी. एंड देन आई थॉट कि अब उसके घर से भी लड्डू आना है. आई जस्ट टोल्ड टू माई सेल्फ एंड इट वॉज लिटिल लाउड. आई वाज लाइक अब एक और लड्डू मिलेगा मुझे, मैं खाऊंगी, बहुत मजा आएगा, आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा गया. अ लेडी वॉज सिटिंग बिसाइड्स मी, माई कॉलीग, एंड शी टोल्ड मी, यू आर सो इमेच्योर. You are behaving like a child and you are trying to eat one more laddu. For which reason? I mean, like, why do you even want a reason to eat? अगर आपको कोई चीज पसंद है आप वो करते हैं. But the thing is that one thing, one statement that she made actually hurt me, actually made me sad. बहुत छोटा सा इंसिडेंट है. इट डज नॉट मैटर सो मच एंड इट जस्ट वेंट अवे. बट देन इफ यू थिंक the incidents that happened in your childhood, that happened in your professional degree college, that happened at your workplace, they do shape you. And they shape you in a manner where at times you forget what you could have done. They hamper your confidence. For example, from class 8 to class 12, I was told that I have a baby speech. मतलब मैं बात करती हूँ तो बच्चों जैसा बोलती हूँ. I mean, when people tell you things, when your peer tell you things, when your parents tell you, when your relatives tell you, when your teachers tell you, you start believing कि हाँ मैं बोलती होंगी. तो मुझे लगा कि yes, I might be talking like kids. I might be not very good at speaking. And I avoided all public platforms. I avoided all large crowds. I avoided everybody where I had to speak in front of huge audience. It hampered my confidence. Has it happened to you? Any one of you? I'm not judging anybody over here, but has it happened to any one of you? That some things what people have told you in your childhood or certain incidents that have happened in your childhood have started hampering you in a way that it affects your confidence. Anybody has had such incidents can just say yes or raise your hands. I'm sure everybody goes through such incidents. And to combat this incidents or to combat these things that we have had in our childhood or in our workplace also. Yes, there's one medico-phily telling that yes, it had happened. Yes, I know it has happened with everybody. It happened with me. Can you imagine a person coming and telling me, 3 people have told me in my entire life and very close to me have told me that I cannot speak. I have a baby voice. आप सोच रहे हैं मेरे को बोला है मेरे को बेबी वॉइस है. मैं बच्चों को पढ़ाती हूँ. I teach people from all age groups. My latest student is of 55 years. and youngest student is not even 17, so she is just 16 and a half. 16 and a half से लेके 55 के years के बच्चों को पढ़ाती हूँ, इतने सारे लेवल के लोगों के साथ बात करती हूँ, and people tell me that I behave like I have a baby voice. So yeah, it does happen. People say anything. So this is what we want to understand, how it actually impacts us and how हम धीरे धीरे अपने अंदर का जो बच्चा है ना उसको मार डालते हैं. See, you see now today I've dressed up colorful. I look like a playful and happy. But in other instances, when you see my life, I'm not like that. Because मैं बहुत seriously behave करती हूँ. That is the point. So without taking a lot of time, let's invite our expert. Sushi says. So I have invited her and she'll be joining us at any moment. So she is a consultant psychologist, a mental health expert, and a very chirpy, very bubbly psychologist. She will definitely take us through the journey of how it all started, how the childhood impact or the influence that we have in our life goes on till we try to erase those memories or till we try to change the perspective in which we think about it. Yeah. Hi. So she's all decked up, dressed up for Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Great. So that's the spirit. That's a psychologist and that's a mental health expert who takes everything the way it is. And her spirit is so up that, you know, आपको भी बहुत खुशी होगी वो special वो hairband देख के. So it's thank you on a Sunday morning giving your time to us and taking a very important topic जो हर एक go through करता है, हर एक go through करता है. That is the most important topic over here. And I was just briefing them that why we took this topic. Though we took this topic because everybody in the everybody has gone through certain experiences in their childhood or in the professional degree colleges or even at workplace, जैसा मेरे साथ recently हुआ है, वो कहीं ना कहीं रह जाता है, and then you feel so bad, you're so upset, and you try to avoid those things. In that case, you lose your confidence. In that case, you lose good contacts, good networking. So it actually is taking you from year to year. So how do we overcome it, and how is actually it starts? Like, you can throw some light on this.
Sure. First of all, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining the live, and thank you, Dr. Ritu, for having me here and giving me the opportunity to speak on a topic that is so close to me. And I was like listening to the intro that you were giving, and it is so relatable. I don't think anybody here, like the number of people who have joined here, they can let us know in the comment section. If there is anybody here who hasn't had unpleasant early childhood experiences and would say that it hasn't have an impact of them still now. Like when I was listening to you, I was constantly nodding yes. ये मेरे साथ. Just a side note, all those who are wondering, so this is not how I usually dress up for any webinars or live. This is specially for today, like our topic says, that you know what brings your inner child alive. I was going through my childhood pictures, and you know, I noticed one thing. I used to be so decked up irrespective of the occasion, and whatever the attire be, I would always be decked up in something or the other. You can say chalta firta fancy dress bol sakte hai na. And then I realized over the years, you know, we grow up, then I left all the things that I used to do, you know, especially dressing up. So today I took that opportunity again to express myself freely, and you know, I went a little over the top, but that's okay. So bear with this. All right. So coming back to Dr. Ritu's question, I feel that each one of us has an inner child inside us, and you know, You all would agree, right? And the unpleasant experiences that we have in the early childhood that impact us till now. And the baggage that we are holding, imagine it like, holding tons of bricks on your shoulders and living with it. Can you imagine how heavy that would be? That is the kind of emotional baggage I'm talking about. You know, our emotions are two people who are present at the same scenario. It's not necessary that they will hold the same memory from that event. It's not always true, right? Say if Dr. Ritu and I are present here in today's life, she will remember certain aspects of it, I will remember certain aspects of it. So the way we process an event, how we perceive it, has a lot to do. How we form our experiences and then how we hold on to them. So, you all would agree that our early childhood experiences do shape us. They do have an impact on how we express ourselves today. In fact, you know that our inner child, um, talking about challenges, it is our inner child who plays an important role in these areas. Like, for example, if my 8-year-old self had a traumatic experience, and as an adult I find myself in a similar situation, it is that 8-year-old self that will face that conflict. So my way of dealing with that conflict would be the same as how I dealt with it when I was an 8-year-old, if that wound is not healed. So the point that I'm trying to communicate here is we often tend to respond from our wounded place, because a lot of things happen and they're not even as an adult. If you see, Dr. Ritu, if there's anything you would like to share, you can
Yeah,
surely add on.
yeah. Actually, I wanted to tell you one thing that अभी जो आप बोल रहे हैं ना 8-year-old वाला story, तो मुझे अभी
Yes,
याद आ रहा है. I was a student and I was in class 7. So class 7th is the class where we get biology, chemistry, and physics. At least at
right.
my time, I used to have it like that. So I had a biology teacher, and for some reasons, उनको मैं पसंद नहीं थी. I don't know what
Oh,
reason it was. So you see that I had complete interest in biology. I wanted to become a doctor from long time. Like in my class 4th, I had decided I wanted to become a doctor, and biology was an important subject. And she did not like me for reasons I don't know. See, I had an elder brother, and he was very good in studies. मैं वेरी गुड नहीं हूँ कभी भी स्टडीज में. मतलब ऐसे भी नहीं, मतलब मेरा कभी टॉप नहीं आया. आई वाज नेवर रैंक 1. आई वाज नेवर 92%, 94%, 93%, ऐसा कभी नहीं
oh,
था. रैंक 5, रैंक 6, रैंक 8 ऐसा आता था. बट आई वाज नॉट द टॉपर इन द क्लास. Maybe she compared me with my brother, or maybe I don't know what was the reason. She never liked my handwriting, she never liked my diagrams. She always made me stand up in the class, ask me questions which I knew I would not be able to answer, and I hated her. She was, and वो तो इतनी खराब थी, मतलब मेरा इतना गंदा एक्सपीरियंस है. And that was why I feel that teachers are the most important part, and I really want to be a good teacher. वो मेरा आंसर शीट होता था. I still remember so badly. I mean, मतलब मुझे इतना गुस्सा आज भी आ रहा है. You can see the mess that I have made. उसमें मैंने लिखा था, I was in class 8. I had written blood pe answer tha. So and connective tissue was the chapter that was being taught. So I had written blood is a tissue. It's a connective tissue and it is a fluid. ठीक है. चलो. She underlined it. My answer sheet. She's underlined that. Then she has read it in the class, and then she has told, see, people are writing such answers. I mean, तुम और कितना इंसल्ट या एम्बेरस करना चाहते हो किसी बच्चे को एक क्लास में जहाँ पे 50-60 लोग उसके ऊपर हंस रहे हैं. एंड शी इज माय बायोलॉजी टीचर.
I feel
And
you.
till date, I remember it so nicely. The sari she wore, the choti she had, the way she spoke. पर मैंने कभी उससे कभी बात नहीं की. मैंने आज तक उसको कभी देखा नहीं, मैंने उससे कभी बात नहीं की. और मुझे चिढ़ मचती है, and I still try to understand what was the wrong thing in that statement that I had written. I was just in class 7. So yeah, it impacted me in such a bad way that I hate that color of the sari. So I don't use that color also. I really hate
Oh my
it.
God.
And I don't like people who are in that kind of structure, because that is मेरे मन में आ गया कि वैसे लोग वैसा करते हैं, भले वो नहीं
Right.
करते होंगे, बट वो जनरलाइज कर लिया है मैंने. और मुझे सबसे दुख इस बात को होता है कि बायोलॉजी की टीचर के साथ मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता था, जबकि बायोलॉजी वाज माय फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट. आई हैड very bad, and then she used to tell me, you're not attentive, you are not attending the class, you don't pay attention, you don't know how to do things, you're bad at practicals. पता नहीं कुछ लोग होते हैं ऐसे. What do you want to say in such scenario, because it does impact your confidence a lot.
That's true. And what, first of all, thank you for sharing it. Being so brave and acknowledging these things on a public platform is not easy. You've done that, so
मैंने
thank
स्कूल
you.
का नाम नहीं बताया है ना.
That, leave it to the people. They I think they can easily find it these days. Everything is, available at your fingertips.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you for sharing it. And secondly, I was amazed, and I guess all the viewers who are listening to you right now, how vividly you described every detail. Like, I'm sure it must have been like 15 plus years
Yeah,
long
around
back,
7.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
And still you remember everything. So you can imagine the depth of the impact, right? That is what I was trying to say.
हाँ, मैं एक और बात बोल रही थी. मुझे रोना भी आया था क्लास में. मैं वो भी याद है मुझे. That was the day in my life which changed me to an extent where I stopped laughing on any kind of joke which was made on any other people. क्योंकि मुझे तब रियलाइज हुआ कि मुझे इतनी तकलीफ हो रही है, तो अभी वो दूसरे का पेपर पढ़ेगी, दूसरे का आंसर रीड आउट करेगी, उसके ऊपर मैं नहीं हंसूंगी. सो आई स्टॉप
Right.
लाफिंग. एंड देन यू नो धीरे धीरे आई स्टॉप लाफिंग ओनली. मतलब दैट यू कैन टेक इट दैट आई स्टॉप लाफिंग. सो इट हैड अ वेरी बैड इम्पैक्ट ऑन मी.
That's true. And till now it's impacting you.
Yeah.
Secondly, what happens is, in generally, like, if you see from that adult perspective, now we are all grown up and mature. When we look back to those scenarios, sometimes we may feel like, अरे यार इतनी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं थी, it may not have that a big deal. Right now, when you describe it to others, अरे क्या एक आंसर ही तो point out किया था ना, right? But the pain and emotions that you experience, and even while describing it right now, I could see you even yourself pointed out the fist that you made. So that emotions is what I'm talking about. Those emotions are valid. The pain that you experience is valid, and it still impacts us in the present. I keep on repeating this thing because most of the times people are not even aware ki where is this emotion coming from, where is this behavior coming from. They don't understand ki I don't know yaar why I end up behaving like this, and when they come to me. So the whole point of discussion is that when you connect with your inner child, you are able to process these experiences. Like looking back and understanding, okay, these are my self-limiting beliefs. Where are they coming from? I'm holding them. And when you acknowledge that, then comes the process of releasing them, right? Identifying all your unmet emotional needs, and basically dealing with pain and working towards healing the wounds without any judgment. So that is what the work with your inner child involves. And I feel like our inner child is always communicating to us. We just need to listen to our inner child. Are you all there with me? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. I felt I am just going on in a monologue. So yeah, like I was saying, our inner child is always communicating to us. We just need to, be present and listen to it. Just get in touch, begin a dialogue, as simple as I hear you. and then work on developing a relationship with your inner child. There are a lot of things that you can do. So, that is why a lot of people are here to know, like, what can they do to connect with their inner
What?
child,
Yes.
right?
And I am
So,
waiting eagerly. I have a pen and a paper also.
okay. I like, I'm really inspired by your enthusiasm. I hope to take some back with me.
Thank you.
And yeah. So, one thing is journaling. That is something I'm doing on my own page as well. You can, go there and check out for some prompts. One journal prompt that I would want to leave you all today with is, how can you treat your inner child with, more love, kindness, and compassion. We all have had experiences, and but now what do you do from there is the point. So, learning active acceptance and letting go, a balance between the both is very important. When I say active acceptance, it's not like हाँ मेरे साथ ये हुआ and then हम वो experience लेके बैठ जाते हैं to justify our behavior. मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था इसीलिए अब मैं ऐसा हूँ और अब मैं ऐसा behave करता हूँ. I'm not talking about that. See, you acknowledge कि okay, this is what happened with me. You accept it and then work on it. That is what I'm talking about. And letting go comes, when there is acceptance. Most often the people who have hurt you, they won't even realize that they have done it, because very recently I had shared this post on Instagram. It was a funny take, the relatives who body shame us on at social functions should be sent back without food. And the kind of engagement I got on that post, like, it was, I was amazed that there are so many people who relate with me. So the point is that, yeah, go ahead. Okay, yeah, you were there. Right. So many people related with it because we all have had experiences, and people, I may say, could be insensitive, ignorant, or they are not at that level where they can realize, or they won't intentionally do that damage to us. There are always exceptions, but we'll see the good side and we'll give people the benefit of doubt. So sometimes the damage could be unintentional and they're not aware that they are, their words are doing this amount of damage to a person. You randomly pass a comment, अरे यार बहुत मोटी हो गई हो, put on कर लिया है तुमने, but you don't know the journey behind it, what happened in, it may not be just the lockdown. They might have had some health issues they are struggling with. So these are things that, we should have a filter before talking sometimes on certain issues. So yeah, coming to letting go, it's for forgiving those people who don't even realize that they have done wrong to you, they have hurt you. Uh, and one more tip that I would like to give is writing a letter. Most often, like I said, I'm not sure when will you meet your teacher again and express that, this has happened and this is how it impacted me and I still feel hurt.
मैं तो मेरा
Yeah.
स्कूल ही नहीं जाती.
Okay.
मैं मेरा
Okay.
स्कूल ही नहीं जाती.
Okay.
मेरा स्कूल बाजू में ही है. I have not stepped inside my school after passing 10th standard. I have stepped inside my junior college. I have stepped inside my professional college. Every 6 months, I make it a point to go to Grand Medical College, from where I've done my MD. But I have not stepped inside my school. I hate it so much. I am sorry to say this, but I hate it.
It's okay. We understand where it is coming from and we're not here to judge you. So yeah, I think this is something that you can do since you're not ever going to face them. You've decided that, writing a letter to yourself, like how would you want your inner child to be treated, is something that you can do. Or you can also write a letter to the person that hurt you, expressing your feelings, like how you felt after the incident and how it still affects you. So, getting That would really help. And this is something that I personally do and enjoy a lot, though I often get judged for it, but like, I don't give a damn. Is playing with, just playing, you know, hold a space for yourself to just be. Like, whether it's engaging in creative arts or following your hobbies, don't do it from the point of, you have to perform. Do it to just do and celebrate things. Often we like, I enjoy dancing, I play guitar, there are a lot of hobbies that I've pursued. But what used to happen is, एक प्रेशर आ जाता है कि यार जब कोई बोलता है अरे आपने गिटार सीखा है चलो बजा के दिखाओ, एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक नहीं, जब मुझे एकदम परफेक्टली आ जाएगा तब मैं पब्लिकली परफॉर्म करूंगी, सुनाऊंगी. एंड हॉबीज होती है, जैसे आप डांस करते हो, आप डांस सीख रहे हो, कोई आया, योर पेरेंट्स आर अरे ये डांस सीख रही है, चलो बच्चे डांस करके दिखाओ, ये सबके
हाँ.
साथ हुआ होगा. These are like
हाँ.
very common examples. Or if like people meet you at a party, they would definitely be asking you for a diagnosis, right?
हाँ.
So बस कुछ भी बोलने के लिए लोगों को बोलना होता है.
Right.
Anyways, so what I was trying to say is, express yourself, do things to express yourself, and not because of the pressure to perform. So in that way, you will be able to connect with your inner child. And playing is something I do a lot. If my cousins are here, they will tell you. When we grow up as adults, we are deprived of play because, we are expected to behave in a certain way. Now you are an adult. You can't be so childish. You can't be so immature. What? Yeah, you're talking like a child. Stop behaving like a child. These are things
Wear
that we...
clothes like a child.
Yeah.
इतना कलरफुल कपड़ा हॉस्पिटल में पहन के कौन जाता है?
Right. So we are being judged for, people can judge you for anything. But do what makes you happy as long as you're not hurting anybody else, okay? Caution. And play is very therapeutic. I find it very helpful. And, just being around with young children, I find it so therapeutic. So these are just, little bit things that you can try. And if you really wish to do more deeper work with your inner child, I would really suggest you to try meditation, consider psychotherapy. That is the place where, okay, we know the issues, but I think being in meeting a psychotherapist would help you get a better insight of your issues, like where are they coming from, and they'll help you with the tools to deal with them.
Sure.
So yeah.
So we have had a lot of tips. Till we revise and paraphrase and summarize all the tips. If there are any questions, please post in your questions in the comment box. If anybody wants to join the live and ask the question directly, send a request and I'll take you in. And till then, we'll just go through the comments that we had, and so that if there's something that we missed it out, we can just see.
I think I did get a notification. Someone was requesting to join. I'm not sure where it went. I just saw a
If I
pop-up.
find someone weird, I will just say. So there are few people who have had childhood experiences which were bad and they have an impact. So yeah, we do. All of us have. And
I doubt there would be anyone here who would say कि नहीं यार मेरी life तो बहुत चंगी वाली. Often we choose to forget those experiences, or we have no memory of them because they are very traumatic. It's a way to protect ourselves.
yes. Hello Hardy, I'm good. I hope you're fine too. Yes, Kamya Singh says, yeah, being compared with your elder, brighter sibling in school by teachers did have an impact. Low confidence in the initial years of growing up. होता है?
We feel you.
And it's me, Happy says, when I was in high school, I also hated my biology teacher because I was good at practicals but poor at theories. I hated my biology teacher. मैं आपको क्या ही बताऊं अभी. I can just go on.
I am very excited to hear the experiences. If anyone who's comfortable enough to join us and share it with everyone, we would appreciate it.
Yeah, we would appreciate if somebody wants to join in and share your experiences. And nobody's judging you here. It's just that you can directly have a detailed conversation with the mental health expert, and she might help us. And Kanani Devanshi is saying that forgive them not for them but for you. थोड़ा मुश्किल
Yes,
होता है forgive
so
करना
deep.
वैसे तो.
But you know, often when you forgive, it helps you be free. And I think it's more therapeutic and helpful for your own self rather than, like I said, carrying the baggage. It's better
Yeah.
to let
So
go.
let's try to forgive people. I'll
We
start by
can try.
forgiving my teacher, my school. Happy Children's Day, Sachin. And original fairy doll says that even I hate my school experience. मैं तो आपको क्या ही बताऊँ. मैं भी बहुत hate करती हूँ.
I do recognize people here, my friends and family. Thank you for joining. I'm not naming anybody, but yeah, thank you for being here and all my friends.
Hi Charul. Kamya says nice session. Thank you, Kamya. And Girija wants to join in the live. Then please send a request. We'll take you. Kanani Devi says that Devanshi says that never tell a
Devanshi.
child you're not small anymore. Does this
Yeah.
help?
I couldn't like hear.
She says never tell a child you are not small anymore.
Yeah, see, this is also something like we are three, okay, siblings. So I am the middle child.
Okay.
So, you know, when the younger child comes, you automatically suddenly in a day become the elder child and you are expected to behave in a certain way. You know, अरे वो छोटा है, अब तुम बड़े हो गए हो, तुम्हें ज्यादा समझदार और maturely behave करना चाहिए. So there are expectations attached. I can just call it social conditioning or, you know. So that also impacts because in a way it we are holding ourselves from, you know, expressing our inner child freely. So yeah, that does
That
impact.
happens.
Okay,
Thank you,
nomadic.
Nomadic Riders, for joining in. Fairy Doll
Yeah.
says that I remember I was not selected for dance show because teacher said I'm dancing slow and not fast to pick up, and I felt deeply hurt for a long time. I hope, original Fairy Doll, you still dance. You have not given up on dancing. I hope just that. And she was just in fourth grade. I know people say a lot of things and you feel so bad about it. And Kanani Devanshi says, like while scolding, expect them to adult.
Sorry.
She says that, like while scolding, expect them to adult.
Yeah.
I don't know what is the complete meaning of this. Can you share some light on it?
No, so scolding children. It was about scolding children.
That तो मुझे आज भी पड़ती है. Problem ये है, see, this is a live and this is, I hope nobody is judging me over here.
This is our Instagram family, our
Yeah, we're
dear
all a family.
followers.
And no, because I am the teacher mostly. I keep on teaching stuff, and still I'm telling all these things. But um, I must
See,
be
you
very
are a
honest.
teacher,
I have a lot of
but you are
crying
also
days.
a human, right?
I have a lot of crying days. I do cry, and I'm not. I don't say that I do not cry. I do cry, and it's not that the teachers, the family, or the friends or the relatives have said this, but in fact, at your workplace also it does happen, and colleagues over there, or bosses over there, or people who are in senior position to you, or even in junior position, put on remarks, say something that you feel a little hurt and your confidence dips in. So I think in the end ना, आपको जो अच्छा लगता है वो करो, दूसरे को तो वैसे ही सोचना नहीं है. बट फॉरगिव करना वाला पार्ट आज भी मेरे लिए थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. आई विल ट्राई टू डू इट, बट इट डज हैपन.
One step at a time.
One step at a time. Yeah. So Nomadic Riders has joined in and he says that we both looking beautiful. So yeah, we both looking
Thank
beautiful.
you.
Thank you. So original Fairy Doll still continues to dance and that's her passion. And this is an awesome session. So we are also happy that it's an awesome session. You people liked it. द पॉइंट हियर वाज कि आपको अगर कभी भी किसी भी बात का बुरा लगता है और आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपका मेंटल हेल्थ अफेक्ट हो रहा है, एनीथिंग, एनी चाइल्डहुड एक्सपीरियंस दैट कम्स एंड पॉप्स अप राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू इवन नाउ, or anything that happened at your college, anything that happened at your workplace, or anything that happened on social media and is affecting you, you can contact me. You can contact at Sushi Says, see Sushmita Singh, and her name is at Sushi Says on Instagram. Anytime she'll be available, anytime I'll be available, we can take you, we can talk to you, and you can feel better. प्रॉब्लम सबको होती है, मुझे भी होती है, मैं भी रोती हूँ, तो रोना कोई बुरी बात नहीं है, ये मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ. I feel very good after crying. That is why I keep on telling.
Yeah, you
And
know,
yeah,
I personally find crying very therapeutic. You know, ऐसे बोलते हैं, especially boys are, you know, said कि लड़की की तरह मत रो. These are all stereotypes that it's high time people become aware. Like, what are they doing, yaar? Come on, our emotions, what are our emotions? Our emotions just play an adaptive function, you know. They are there to protect us. And I feel it's a big crime to not let someone express their emotions. This is,
yeah,
you know, it is not visible, but the kind of mental trauma attached with it when you repress your emotions, it is never repressed. It always shows itself in some way or the other. So I am like totally against repressing emotions of any kind, and especially crying. You know, I cry. Everybody cries, yeah, and people, those who don't cry, I feel sorry for you that, you know, you have had experiences where you weren't allowed to express yourself. That is heartbreaking. You know,
and one more thing
I
is
find
like,
crying very therapeutic.
yeah, and one more thing is like हम रोते हैं ना, तो आजकल तो हम लोग मास्क पहनते हैं, तो मेरे साथ हाल ही में हुआ है, like recently this has happened with me. I was crying and my mask also got wet because, you know, यहाँ से ना पानी आ जाता है. So
Ouch.
when the mask gets wet, no, you have to change the mask. The whole concept is that you have to change the mask, या mask उतार के रहो. So please take care of that thing, because I recently understood that, you know, the mask gets wet. So that's my experience of recent. And one more thing is that Sushmita, actually I prefer calling her Sushi Says. So she has on her
You
page.
can just call me Sushi.
You can call me Sushi, okay? So on her page she says a lot of journaling tips, and journaling also helps. So if there is some problem, and if you want to write it down, so she says page will take you through how to journal, how to write down things, and it will really be helpful. और journaling मैं भी करती हूँ, बस थिंग सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मैं रोज नहीं कर पाती. जर्नलिंग थोड़ा sophisticated नाम लगता है. It's and when I was a kid there was no such thing that was there. It means that you take a pen and you take a book and you start writing. For starters, it is that much.
Free flow. Don't think. And don't think that you have to show it to someone and that is why you're writing. Then you will limit yourself, you know, just write, you know, जैसे बिना किसी filters के we talk at times. Write that. Express yourself completely, freely, totally.
And Jadya says that I still like to play with kids. Yesterday played lock and key with my son's friends. I also still like to play with kids. नीचे जाके कुछ भी खेल लेती हूँ बच्चों के साथ.
I have really young cousins like 7 and 10-year old and I play with them. Ghar ghar ho, kitchen set ho, you name it and I play with them. I remember I was playing in my building's garden and one of my schoolmates saw me there and he was like, I was in college at that time and wherever he used to meet me, he used to tease me like, ये छोटे छोटे बच्चों के साथ खेलती है छोटे छोटे, and I owned it. I was like, yes, I do play. I still play with them and I really enjoy playing with them. I find it very therapeutic.
I really like that you play with the kitchen set also. कोई अभी भी kitchen set के साथ खेल रहा है तो please मुझे एक yes
I still have my toys. I haven't given them. उतना letting go level पे मैं नहीं आई हूँ.
I have not played with the kitchen set from a long time. Pardeshi Amman has a question. She says, how can you engage now to keep your child alive? Like, yes, everyone loves chocolates, playing games. So as an adult with responsibilities on your shoulder, how can you bring your child alive? Yeah, that's a question.
That is a very good question, Aman. Thank you for asking it. I think time and again, this is something that we need to consciously work on. You know, like we become adults, we have responsibilities, but your inner healing is your own responsibility. Like I said, just get in touch. Do things that you love to do as a child, or by simply just seeing your old childhood albums and, starting a dialogue about it brings alive that inner child for me. So it's not necessary that you have to do a dozen of things. You have to do this, like the ones that I mentioned earlier. But even one step at a time, like I said, is, good to go.
या फॉर मी लाइक एक बार मिस्टर इंडिया ही देख लो, और मिस्टर इंडिया भी नहीं देख सको तो दैट देयर इज वन सीन वेयर श्रीदेवी डज लाइक दिस ऑन द फुटबॉल, उसका फुटबॉल
Okay.
नहीं हाथ में आता है तो वो ऐसे ऐसे करती है. आई नो इट इज ऐसे ऐसे एक इंस्टाग्राम लाइव पे करना भी आप लोगों को लगेगा कि हाउ शी इज डूइंग इट, बट दैट इज व्हाट इट takes me and it calms me down, and that's how I bring my inner child alive.
So
Bhava is
basically,
a
engaging in any activities that you love doing as a child, or that you wished you enjoyed doing but you stopped. Maybe engaging in them is
yeah.
the way to go.
Yeah. And Bhava also has a very good question. रोना बुरी बात नहीं है, but कैसे रोए when it becomes your habit to control your emotions. Yeah, it does happen.
Right. I think what you need to do is acknowledge and sit with your emotions. We are conditioned in a way ki, these emotions are good, these emotions are bad. You are supposed to feel this, you're not supposed to feel. वो इतने strict boxes में हमने हर चीज को डाल दिया ना, that is where it becomes suffocating, and then we are conditioned. So it's not your fault, बट वी आर कंडीशन टू अरे नहीं रोते हैं, ऐसे बात नहीं करते, ये इमोशन गुस्सा आना अच्छी बात नहीं है. ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें जो हमें बोली जाती हैं, एंड देन इट्स जस्ट प्रोग्राम्ड हियर दैट. एंड देन इफ वी डू समथिंग लाइक दैट वी फील लाइक अरे नहीं, ये ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए था, ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए था. द पॉइंट इज you have to let yourself be vulnerable, sit with your emotions, listen to them, what are they trying to tell you. And ऐसा नहीं कि जबरदस्ती रोना रोना ही है, but if you feel like crying, then cry. And I feel sometimes people are not able to cry because of their previous experiences. वो ट्रॉमा इतना डीप रहता है कि they have repressed it, and your body is just your brain is just trying to protect you from those experiences. That is why you have no memory of certain events which were very disturbing, or you're not able to cry. I think that will come with you have to do a little bit of self work, and maybe then you can reach at a place where you can express your emotions freely. It's
So
not
that
impossible. It is something that can be done.
so मतलब I just had one question just I have. So not having a memory of a bad incident is
Hmm.
also a sign that we went through a trauma.
Yeah. Not always, huh?
Hmm. And
Sometimes you just don't remember things.
नहीं, हम अच्छी चीजें तो वैसे ही हमें याद नहीं रहती, हमें बुरी चीजें जल्दी याद रहती हैं. दैट इज वन थिंग दैट आई
It
अंडरस्टूड.
is the tendency of our mind, to cling on to negative events. Like if you have a friend for 10 years and उसने कोई एक चीज बुरी बोल दी, तो हम 10 साल की फ्रेंडशिप याद ना रख के वो एक बुरी चीज याद रखते हैं और वही हमारे दिमाग में घूमती रहती है. So that is the tendency of our mind. But time and again, we have to become aware of those things.
One of my school friends is here and he says that इसके आगे मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा. So yeah, he's there, he knows.
भावनाएं
And
पहुंच गई.
and Charles Upadhyay is asking, is self-healing possible if we have gone through those incidents?
It depends on the intensity of those experiences, but I don't think self-healing is impossible. I think our body is made in such a way that we can heal our own selves. We just need to become aware. And you know, that awareness comes with practice. That is why when I mentioned the list of things that you could do to bring your inner child alive, I mentioned meditation. Meditation will help you connect with your inner self, the inner tattva. Is definitely
और एक
possible.
और एक चीज आपसे पूछनी थी, कोई एक ऐसा मूवी
Your
हो जब
voice
कोई
is
एक ऐसा
lagging.
मूवी हो, if there is a movie or if there is a book or if there is a song or if there is something that you would want the audience to see, watch, listen and they might feel good about it, कुछ ऐसा कुछ जो आप प्रिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं, that's the term, prescribe.
Okay. So I wish I could also see the comments, but you know, I'm not very well versed with this whole thing. I can definitely share a proper list of movies and everything with Dr. Ritu, and she can then share it with her community because you know, and if I were to just say, अभी देखो सबका choice अलग होती है,
अलग
genre
होता
अलग होता है,
है.
right? So it's a very tricky question, but you know, self-soothing songs, or I find comic movies good. But if you wish to know a movie about inner healing, I feel Bollywood में बहुत कम बनती है, but Dear Zindagi बहुत अच्छी थी. I watched it when I was doing masters, and they've beautifully shown, and they've shown it correctly. नहीं तो पता ना, एक जनरल परसेप्शन होता है साइकोथेरेपी का कि एक काउच पड़ा है उस पे लोग लेटे हैं. There's a very wrong image that has been made out of you know, हमारी फील्ड बहुत स्टिग्मेटाइज्ड है. लाइक अभी रिसेंटली देयर वाज दिस शो, what, oh my god, man with a plan, what was that show? uh, Manoj Vajpayee is a
फैमिली में.
family man,
देखो
yeah.
मैं बहुत सारी चीजें देखती हूँ.
Arey, I binge watch like anything, but you know, there are times when you just can't recall. Selective memory. What can I say? So, Family Man, yeah. I in the second season, he was counseling with his. Am I audible? There's
Yes,
a
yes.
lag. Yeah, okay. So he went to seek counseling with his wife, and the way it was shown there, oh my God, it's so wrong. I was like, ये क्या दिखा रहे हैं? And a lot of people in our community, you know, had a reaction to it and they had written long posts about it. कि तो एक बहुत गलत इमेज फैलाई जाती है काउंसलिंग साइकोथेरेपी के बारे में. बट डियर जिंदगी इज अ मूवी जिसमें सही तरीके से बताया गया है. यू नो, एटलीस्ट यू विल गेट एन आइडिया अबाउट what the process of psychotherapy is. So that is one movie, Bollywood ki, that I would recommend.
Yeah, and people have given us also a list. Original Fairy Dollist said that Katy Perry fireworks song. Charul says Love You Zindagi is good. And we'll definitely save this life, nomadic riders. And Charul Upadhyay also says, if I'm wrong, I don't know what is this song. Sarks to your beautiful song, Aliza Cara. So I'm not very good at Hollywood, but we have a list of things that people have shared with us, and it is definitely helpful. So to summarize, if anybody has a question, please post it. If somebody wants to come in the live, do join in, send in a request. And to summarize what Sushmita or Sushi says has told us, that tips to connect to the inner circle, inner child is very important. बैलेंस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. एक्टिवली एक्सेप्ट करो कि ऐसा आपके साथ हुआ है और उसके बाद उसको लेट गो करो या फॉरगिव करो. तो अभी हमने एक्टिवली एक्सेप्ट तो कर लिया है कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था, अब मुझे फॉरगिव करना है मेरी बायोलॉजी टीचर को, मेरे स्कूल को और बहुत सारे लोगों को जिन्होंने कहा था कि मेरी बेबी बॉयज है, उन लोगों को करना है.
See, you have acknowledged it. You are halfway there. The moment you become aware of about it, you are halfway there.
तो ग्रेट. आई एम लाइक 50% तो मेरा काम हो गया है, मैंने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया और हमारे कुछ ऑडियंस ने भी एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है कि उनके साथ भी ऐसा हुआ था. तो वेरी वेल, स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग वेरी नाइस. लाइक आई एम अ प्राउड टीचर दैट यू आर आल्सो 50% देयर विद मी. Write down a letter to whoever you want to write, and whatever you feel, write down everything. Play with kids, play with yourself, play puzzles, play whatever, जो भी अच्छा लगता है वो करो. And do things to express yourself. Actually, what do I do to express myself? मैं ना ऐसे ही बैठ जाती हूँ विंडो के किनारे में एंड आई जस्ट सी व्हाट चिड़िया उड़ रही है और लोग खेल रहे हैं and then I just walk down and I just see what the people are doing, what they are wearing and what is the new trend and there's so many people uh, everything I observe and I like that कि दुनिया में बहुत लोग हैं और मेरी ऐसा बोलते हैं ना दुनिया में बहुत गम है और मेरा गम कितना कम है so that is what I feel and then I feel very happy but I don't know
You know,
whether
our mind is so much actively involved. इतना सब होता रहता है हमारे आसपास. We are multitasking. We are doing so many things. This is something that I actually give as a homework to my clients, I must say. I tell them to just sit there and watch clouds for at least 5 minutes. You know, so observing the nature, we can connect with our own self. So that's something really great that you're doing.
तो मतलब अब मुझे रियलाइज हो रहा है कि जो नॉर्मल चीजें थी जो हम बच्चों में करते थे लाइक हम लोग ऐसे आसमान में तारे देखते थे पर नाउ आई डोंट रिमेम्बर व्हेन आई हैव सीन द स्टार्स लास्ट टाइम बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम आई सॉ इन सितंबर उसके बाद तो मैंने तारे नहीं देखे हैं मतलब आई एम
फुर्सत ही
नॉट
नहीं है सारे
हाँ तो वही
फोन
तो
पे
मतलब जो
रहता है
चीज हम
स्ट्रेस.
करते थे वो सबसे बेस्ट हुआ करती थी लाइक जस्ट गेज एट द स्काई लुक एट द मून लुक एट द सन सी
Right.
साइड चले जाओ विंडो के बाहर देख लो बच्चों के साथ खेल लो छोटी छोटी बॉल होती है ना वो प्लास्टिक वाली उसके साथ खेल लो nothing expensive required over here but yeah it does help and do things to express yourself take psychotherapy if you feel like meditate and watch clouds
Journal.
yeah and
Journaling.
journaling very important to those who don't know should check her page and she'll take you through it Charu
And the
Sati
whoever stayed with us till now, the prompt that I gave today was how can you treat your inner child with love, kindness, and compassion. So do that today. Just sit with yourself 5-10 minutes, reflect, and write whatever comes to your mind. You know, often we hold grudges. यार मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ. ठीक है, वो तब हुआ. But at present, अभी आप क्या? How do you prefer to be treated? What did you want to hear as you know everything that you wanted to hear as a child which you didn't get to that you can tell yourself now by journaling. So yeah, the
yeah
prompt again is how can you treat your inner child with love, kindness, and compassion at present.
uh,
Do that.
Pardeshi Aman is saying celebrate your biology ma'am with the food it can be the best moment of your life Dr. Ritu पता नहीं क्यों पर ना मेरे से ना हो पाएगा मतलब बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी मुझे वो करने के लिए बट हो सकता है कि मुझसे ना हो पाए I know this is a very disappointing sentence that I'm giving but it will take a lot of efforts from me I just cannot overcome the embarrassment and the insult that I had gone through when I was in class 7 so that is there and I will still do it as Sushi says that 50% तो मैंने जंग जीत ली है और 50% बाकी है खाना तो मैं अच्छा ही खाऊंगी दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग लोग मेरे खाने पे भी कहते हैं कि मैं बच्चों जैसा बिहेव करती हूँ बट खाना तो मैं बहुत अच्छा ही खाऊंगी और अच्छे से दिल खोल कर खाऊंगी सो दैट एंड संडे आफ्टरनून आई ईट लॉट एंड आई विल बी हैप्पी
Sunday
बट
binge.
Sunday binge. Yeah, but the thing is that keep your child alive. Anyone, anybody, anyhow, कोई कुछ भी बोले आपको, but do whatever you feel like doing it and enjoy life. Do not feel hurt. Do not feel embarrassed. कुछ भी लगे तो you can always contact us and we'll be there for you. Any final concluding points, Sushi, that you want to share before we
I think
ending this?
just
It's been a very big live now.
yeah. I think today is Children's Day. I think the best day to start your journey. हम ऐसे करते हैं ना हाँ करेंगे हमें पता होता है हमें क्या करना है बट हम वो करते नहीं है. So I would just say take charge of your inner transformation and get on to that journey of connecting with your inner
Just
child
one question.
and just be.
How much time does it take to heal if you're passively working on it?
That is very difficult to say. If you're passively working on it, I think I need you to describe more because, oh, I think describe what passively working is.
So Charul, if you feel like joining in the live and asking the question, you're very much welcome to do it. And Bus Carrot is asking tips to overcome fear of new experiences.
See, you need to understand that where is that fear coming from. Mostly we are conditioned like we want stability. What we don't realize is that change is something that cannot be avoided, right? Change is going to happen. It will happen. But it could also be a sign of your unhealed inner child. I'm not proposing कि ऐसा ही है, तुम्हारा child healed नहीं है इसीलिए तुम्हें ये हो रहा है, but it is a sign, when your inner child is not healed, when your needs are not met, this is something that we could fear. That constant need of reassurance, constant need of control. It could also come from anxiety. See, fear is an emotion and it plays an adaptive function. Like I said, fear hona bhi zaruri hai. We all must be aware about fight and flight. Sab science students jo bhi hain yahan par. Oh, hi, someone has joined.
Charul has joined. She wants to
Hi,
discuss with
Sushi.
you.
Sorry, I couldn't
Charul
hear.
has joined. She had asked the question if you're passively working on it. So she wants to explain you what does she mean by
Yes,
passive.
Charul, please throw some light. I could, get a better clarity on the question. Yeah.
Yeah, so my doubt was that, for me, like I'm actually working on, healing my inner child. Like I know we have to do that. And I know a lot of things how to do that too. But the
Hmm.
thing is, I just know it. I implement slowly and steadily. I'm
Uh,
following that as
is
well.
it
I can
frozen?
hear
Because
the
I
yeah, she's
can't
back.
hear. Okay, yeah. Yeah, Charul. So you were saying that you are aware about it, that you need to do certain things to heal your inner child, but you're not doing anything.
Yeah, not regularly. I'm doing slowly and
Okay.
steadily.
Yeah.
Like taking out times during the day to just sit with myself, having spending time alone in the mornings and all those things that
Hmm.
actually make me happy. So all these things I just want to know that is it possible to like heal our inner child properly,
Yeah. I think,
and how
you
much
know,
time it takes.
that is not something that I can answer here. I need to know the areas and issues that you are maybe then. But healing is something you can't set a timeline. Like, जैसे antibiotics होते हैं, आपको ये 3 दिन खाने हैं और आप ठीक हो जाओगे. You know,
Right.
any psychological treatment or therapy that you take, even psychiatric medication, it's not like, वो dosage कम हो जाएगा. But it's very difficult to how you can see if you are healing. If you want to keep a check, you
Yeah.
can see
Right.
if you are working on your issues, you have already identified your triggers, right? So
Yeah.
what you
Yeah.
can to keep a track, to see if I am healing or मैं कहाँ तक पहुंची हूँ, is to uh, see if the intensity of your triggers have reduced. कि मतलब पहले अगर मुझे 1 to 10 की स्केल पे 7 पे वो चीजें अफेक्ट कर रही थी या 8 पे अफेक्ट कर रही थी, सो विद योर इनर वर्क द इंटेंसिटी हैज डिक्रीज्ड, राइट? सो दैट इज वन वे ऑफ चेकिंग. या
Understood.
फिर ट्रिगर्स कम हो गए हैं कि पहले
Right.
मुझे 10 चीजें से अफेक्ट होता था, अब उनमें से सिर्फ 4-5 चीजें हैं जो मुझे बॉदर करती है, रेस्ट आई कैन लेट गो ऑफ. सो इंटेंसिटी एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी, हाउ ऑफन इट इज हैपनिंग. पहले हर वक्त होता था, अब वंस इन अ वीक, कभी कभी. सो दैट दीज आर वेज वेयर यू कैन ट्रैक योर progress. But I don't think I am aware of any set way to track, or there are psychometric scales that you can use, but I like wouldn't suggest that.
Okay, and just one more question, that if we are actively working, then
Yeah.
in how much time do we expect changes within us? Like, just scale down hone mein 10 to 1. Like, what's the time? Like, is 1 month enough, or like 2 months? What is it? Is there a pattern?
Again, I will copy paste the same answer that I said earlier to this question.
Understood. Why I'm asking this is because sometimes the healing journey is quite slow and it's very full of patience, right? So,
Yes.
sometimes we are like, when are we gonna reach the end point, and when I'm gonna feel free from within. So yeah, that's why I
I
thought of
know
this question.
it can be testing at times. You may doubt yourself or you may feel like अरे यार ये मैं इतने time से कर रही हूँ, is it even working, and then why am I doing this? All those questions can come, you know. It's very
Right.
natural to experience these things.
Yeah, sure. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Actually,
Thank you,
yeah,
Charul. I hope it answers your question.
definitely. Thank you.
Yeah, I
Thank you.
hope शिद्दत से आंसर करने की कोशिश की है मैंने.
Chalo. So now let's call the live, end the live over here. We have already crossed the 1 hour and 2 minute session. It was supposed to be a 40-minute session, and it was a very nice session. I hope we all keep our child alive. Yeah,
It was
Pardeshi
lovely
Pankaj,
interacting with you all. Seriously, I really had a great time.
I also really had a great time. I enjoyed my hair the most. मतलब मुझे भी
You
अच्छा
looking
लगा,
very
ऐसे
pretty
अच्छा
today.
तैयार होकर अच्छे अच्छे से बैठने के लिए मुझे भी अच्छा लगा. ऐसे मैंने खुद अपने आप को कभी नहीं देखा है, तो आई मीन बचपन के बाद आज देखा होगा, तो आई ऑल्सो एंजॉयड इट एंड आई एंजॉयड द हेयर बैंड ऑल्सो.
Yes, this was a very unusual interaction for me as well, but it turned out to be great. Like, I'm going to remember this.
I'm also going to remember the live will be put, it will be saved and it will be put on the story and on the feed as well. Any questions, you can always contact me. Any questions, you can always contact at Sushi Says. And happy Sunday. Enjoy your food. Enjoy the inner child. Do whatever you like. Dance, play, art, paint, music. मेरे को तो मिस्टर इंडिया देखनी है, पर ये नेटफ्लिक्स जो है ना मिस्टर इंडिया देता है, अमेजोन प्राइम भी मिस्टर इंडिया नहीं देता, यूट्यूब भी मिस्टर इंडिया नहीं देता, कोई एक जो मिस्टर इंडिया
I
देता होगा
hope
तो मुझे
your
बता दो.
message reaches them.
I know I am crazy behind Mr. India, and I don't know, when I was a child I just liked it. और मुझे उससे बहुत ऐसा लगता है कि हम जीत जाते हैं इनमें, तो मे बी दैट मैसेज आई फील इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. तो एंजॉय. Happy Children's Day and
Happy
bye.
Children's Day, everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Have a
Thank
great day
you.
ahead.
Thank you.
See ya.